Angry cable consumers voicing their concerns over a proposed cable rate increase of $8 and $13.50 for residential commercial customers. During a heated town meeting last evening, hundreds packed the Holy Cross Activity Center on Soldier Road, saying a resounding no to cable's request. The utilities regulator wants feedback on the matter before a decision is made. Cyan Thompson was in the mix of it all, and she has the play-by-play.
It didn't take long before the audience at the town meeting got heated, as they were not satisfied with answers from URCA's CEO, Kathleen Revere-Smith, and Director of Policy and Regulation, Stephen Burrow. In fact, audience members were appalled that although most of their questions were directed to Cable Bahamas executives, they were not on the panel to answer. However, representatives of Cable Bahamas was in attendance. Irate audience members also claimed that URCA was defending Cable Bahamas.
We have to hear Cable Bahamas. We have to hear you. We have to go away, and we can't make that decision until we have heard Cable Bahamas and we have heard you.
Since 1995, Cable Bahamas has not increased its price for basic cable, but frustrated customers insisted that if Cable Bahamas has continually made a profit in their 15 years of existence, why increase prices at a time when Bahamians are struggling to make ends meet?
They do not deserve an increase what they're asking for, sir. And I please don't do it.
I do not support the increase of Cable Bahamas at this time.
An $8 increase can buy at least 8 tin of toners and at least 3 tin of corned beef.
Here they're coming to poor Bahamian citizens who have been losing their jobs, businesses that have been impacted by roadworks all across the entire island and have been closing down for 27% more. If you're going to rob me, put on a mask. Do not come just showing me your face.
Oh, sir, that you all would give us the opportunity to let them sit where you all are, or someplace where we can put these questions, because whatever it is, I hope from one of the speakers earlier that you all ain't just flambéing us tonight, because let me tell you, if this thing already going through, hell gonna break loose. Because this ain't going easy. This is not going easy.
Like other audience members, Rodney Monker cried shame on Cable Bahamas. He also questioned URCA's integrity, stating that URCA's chairman, Randall Dorsett, should resign immediately. Here's the claim.
The chairman of URCA is the lead attorney for Cable Bahamas.
Meantime, when the chairman of the town meeting attempted to move on with the proceedings, there was an outburst from the audience.
We have some quiet, please.
And
Mr. Monker.
Sir.
Okay, you're taking up a lot of time.
I say that Randy Dorsett should resign. He should not be allowed to represent Cable Bahamas in the Supreme Court and also have voting powers to determine us Negroes being taxed.
The closing date to give your comments to URCA on this issue is on October 19th. You can email them at info@urcabahamas.bs. You can call them at 393-0234. You can fax them at 393-0153, or you can hand deliver your comments to them at the East Bay Street office in the UBS building. For the ZNS News Network, I'm Cyan Thompson.
Well, URCA's chairman Randolph Dorsett is a partner with Graham Thompson, and Cable officials confirmed today that the company is the registered corporate office for Cable Bahamas and its external legal counsel. An URCA release we got just moments ago says that when Mr. Dorsett was appointed as URCA's chairman, his representation of Cable Bahamas by his law firm was assigned to other attorneys in the firm. The release says that Mr. Dorsett is no longer has any such dealings with Cable Bahamas or any other licensees of URCA. And the release goes on to say that these facts were disclosed to URCA by Mr. Dorsett upon his appointment as chairman. The release from URCA added that with Mr. Dorsett disclosing these matters to the board accepted that appropriate and satisfactory measures had been put in place to deal with any claims of a conflict of interest. At its August 2012 meeting, the board also decided to publish these facts on its website in its quarterly report of board activities, which becomes due in October.